Let's chat about perspective through the lens of continual progress versus continual setback. Thanks to Morgan Housel's book, The Psychology of Money, I was reminded that GDP per capita growth over the last 150 to 200 years has increased 20-fold in the Western world, and similar trends have applied globally. However, during that time, whilst GDP has increased substantially, there has been continual setbacks. For example, there's been more than 1.3 million Americans who have died during 9 world wars during that time. The flu pandemic of 1918 killed between 17 million and 50 million people globally. There's been 33 recessions lasting a cumulative 48 years. Stocks lost a third of their value, more than 12 times. And in fact, the stock market fell 10% from recent highs more than 100 times. As I record this in January 2022, it's easy to think that the world is on fire, not only due to our current pandemic, which has extended with the Omicron variant, but also due to natural disasters throughout the world. There's fires, typhoons, earthquakes, the cyber warfare, financial meltdowns, also geopolitical tensions. It's easy to think, if you just focus on recent events, that we're in a new normal. But actually, we're in a normal. This is the normal. It's been the normal for the last 200 years. So what does this all mean? Well, first of all, it means that we need to view this through a perspective of time that covers decades, not days. And secondly, that brings us to the question of what is recent history? We can be lulled into a false sense of comfort because the last 5 years or so have been a time of relative prosperity and comfort. But considered over a longer time frame, we can see that's not normal. And in fact, setbacks are the normal. But thirdly, focus on what you can control. Start with yourself, small improvements that create impact, and then help your family, friends, and neighbors. But fourth, focus on continual progress. Massive impact occurs over generations, not over days.